Problem is prove that div of r bar by r is 2 by r. Prove that div of r bar by r is 2 by r. So here let r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. While doing these sums related to r bar is nothing but the position vector. Suppose these are x, z, y axis and it is a point P of x, y, z and it is a origin O0, 0, 0. So then we will have the position vector, that is OP bar. So OP bar is nothing but r bar. So what is r bar here? Xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So to compute this expression, just we have to know about the following conditions. So that is r bar is this one and r is whose magnitude squaring on both sides, we will get r square is x square plus y square plus z square. So differentiating this one with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, that is 2r into dou r by dou x is 2x, y square derivative 0, z square derivative 0. So which implies that dou r by dou x is x by r. Similarly, doing the same procedure, dou r by dou y is y by r and dou r by dou z is z by r. So these are the partial derivatives of r with respect to x, y, z. So since r bar, so here r bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now dou r bar by dou x is I bar, because differentiating r bar with respect to x will get I bar. Remaining term derivatives becomes 0. Dou r bar by dou y is j bar. Dou r bar by dou z is k bar. So there is a lot of difference between r and r bar. R bar is a vector point function, but r is a scalar function, that is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now we have to remember these formulas, so until we will do the problems related to Stokes theorem. So r bar is, whenever r bar is occurred in the given sum, we have to remember these formulas. So important one, that is r bar is xi plus yj plus zk, r is root of x square plus y square plus z square, and r square is x square plus y square plus z square. Dou r by dou x is x by r, dou r by dou y is y by r, and dou r by dou z is z by r. And dou r bar by dou x is I bar, dou r bar by dou y is j bar, dou r bar by dou z is k bar. So using these values, we can prove the required statement. So here we will consider left hand side of the statement. Now what is left hand side here? Div of r bar by r. But what is mean by div? Div means del dot. So del dot r bar by r. But del dot means sigma I bar dot dou by dou x of r bar by r. So that is a sigma I bar dot dou by dou x of r bar by r. Now taking the partial derivative for r bar by r. So it is look like d by dx of u by v. So anybody, what is the formula for d by dx of u by v? So formula is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. V kept silent, denominator function kept silent, differentiate numerator 1 negative minus numerator kept silent, differentiate denominator function whole upon denominator function square. So it is the division rule. So using also here division rule, r kept silent, dou r bar by dou x. So what is the dou r bar by dou x? I bar minus r bar kept as a silent, dou r by dou x. So what is the dou r by dou x? X by r whole by v square. V square means r square. So using the values, that is dou r bar by dou x is I bar and dou r by dou x is x by r. Just we have proved these. Okay. Now splitting the fraction, so we will get the summation of I bar dot Ri by R square. So clearly one of R get cancelled, that is I bar by R square minus x into R bar whole by R into R square. R into R square is R cubed. Now applying dot product, so we will get the required value of divergence of R bar by R. So what is the divergence of R bar by R? The summation of I dot I. So summation of we have a slight mistake. R bar by R square. So one of R get cancelled, that is I by R. So I dot I is 1, so that is 1 by R minus summation of x into I bar dot R bar. So what is value of I bar dot R bar? I bar dot R bar is I bar means I bar plus 0j plus 0k bar, which is a dot product with R bar. R bar means xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So taking dot product, that is x into 1 is x, remaining term becomes 0. So it is the value of I bar dot R bar. Already we have x, but what is x into x? X square whole upon R cubed. Now coming to summation 1 by R. So 1 by R is a scalar. So summation 1 by R means 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. That is 3 by R minus a summation of x square. But what is the summation of x square? X square plus y square plus z square. So already we have proved that is if R is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now squaring on both sides, we will have R square is x square plus y square plus z square. So just removing a summation x square, which is replaced with R square. So that is R square by R cubed. So clearly R square get cancelled, that is 3 by R minus 1 by R. But what is the 3 by R minus 1 by R? 2 by R. So it is the required value of divergence of R bar by R. So my dear students, remember these values, that is summation x. Summation x means x plus y plus z. Summation x square means x square plus y square plus z square. Summation xy means xy plus yz plus zx. Summation 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Summation 2 means 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Summation 3 means 3 plus 3 plus 3. Summation r means r plus r plus r, where r is a scalar. Summation r bar is a different one. Okay, so we have to know about these values. That is a summation of 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is a 3 by r. Summation x square is x square plus y square plus z square, that is r square. So 3 by r minus 1 by r, just subtracting or taking the LCM as a r, 3 minus 1 is 2. So whenever r bar is xi plus yj plus zk, then r is its magnitude, that is root of x square plus y square plus z square, and r square is x square plus y square plus z square. Dou r by dou x, x by r, dou r by dou y, y by r, dou r by dou z, z by r, dou r bar by dou x, I bar, dou r bar by dou y, j bar, dou r bar by dou z, k bar. So we have to remember these formulas, then only we can solve these type of sums. Okay. So shall we go to another sum? The problem is find div of r bar. Consider div r bar. So what is mean by div? Div means del dot. So del dot r bar. But what is mean by del? Del is I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z. So which is a dot product with r bar. R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. That is a dot product. Taking dot product, we will get dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou y of y plus dou by dou z of z. because so already I told you that is a1i plus a2j plus a3k, which is a dot product with b1i plus b2j plus b3k. Then we will have a1b1 plus a2b2 plus a3b3. That is dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou y of y plus dou by dou z of z. But what is the partial derivative of x with respect to x? 1. With respect to y is 1. With respect to z for z is 1. So that is a 3. So it is the required value of div of r bar. So it is also simple result, important result. Whenever there is a del dot r bar, just replace 3. In vector identities, whenever there is a del dot r bar, in our properties also, del dot r bar is always 3. But curl of r bar is 0 bar. Curl of r bar is 0 bar. So don't forget these values. So here we are doing the sums related to divergence, so that we are finding divergence r bar. In next class, in curl of a vector, in that we will see curl of r bar is 0 bar. So r bar is here xi plus yj plus zk. Taking dot product, applying partial derivatives with respect to x, y, z respectively. So we will get result is 3. So it is the value of divergence of r bar. Thank you.